Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a Starbucks gift card to your Doordash account. Let's get into it. First, open your Doordash app and hit your profile at the top right or here in the bottom right, the Me section. After that, hit Payment Methods and after that, scroll down and find Redeem a gift card to add credits. Once you click that, just put your gift card PIN and once done, just tap on Redeem to your account and once successfully redeemed, go back and you'll be able to see your credits right here. And as you can see, your USD card will automatically be updated to your next order. Also, can only be applied in the United States. So now, if you're wondering if it's really true, right here I'm gonna show you. Under gift cards, and then look for Starbucks and enter. And as you can see here, it is available, alright? So basically, we can use it as well. That's it for today. If this saved you time, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.